Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share this month's card kit. So the card kit comes out every other month and it gives you enough supplies to create 6 cards plus a lot of extra. This month we're featuring LDRS Lovely Watercolor Collection, and you can see it's beautiful watercolor flowers in those beautiful spring colors. So you're going to start with 6 card bases and 6 envelopes, and then you'll receive 4 sheets of cardstock. This month we have 2 sheets of white, 1 sheet of tropical, and 1 sheet of quartz pink. For the paper, you're going to receive half a pack of the 6x6 papers, and these are really heavy cardstock weight. These first ones are watercolor splatters, so we have the beautiful aqua. On the back is green. We have that periwinkle blue and pink, purple, and a peachy color. Then on these, the prints are the same front and back, but we have a small print and then a larger print. We have a green and the ivy, it's beautiful pink florals, and then the larger print, gorgeous blue, pink, little circles, some greenery with pops of pink, large purple flowers, and then the smaller on the back, and then these beautiful mixture of watercolor flowers. So that is your patterned paper. For your embellishments, you're going to receive half a pack of the ephemera pieces, so they will vary among the kits, but here is what I received in mine. So you can see some beautiful florals, lots of phrases that you can use for sentiments, and then some tags and banners in this little frame. You'll also receive 3 white doilies and half a pack of the enamel dots, which are a perfect match to the colors in this collection. So you'll have plenty of product to make lots and lots of cards. So one more look at your card kit. Be sure to join us over on the Facebook group and the blog. Join in on some challenges. Check out what the design team has created with their card kit, and then share what you've made. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with this month's kit.